before you click that buy or sell, make sure you watch this video till the end. Now, the essence of trading forex is to make money and have time for yourself and families. Where necessary, you'll be able to afford the luxury and go for trips, especially the expensive trips. Anywhere, you'll be able to afford it on your own without budging anybody and living the life you want without working under anybody, without being controlled by anybody. Am I saying working for someone is bad? It is not bad, but when people control your time, control when you will be able to go out, when you'll be able to go on vacations with your family, when you are to go anywhere or do anything or have time to do anything you want to do, that means the person is controlling your time. So, and it is not meant to be so. You are actually working for the person's growth. Now, it is good to start working for someone. As a matter of fact, if you do not have a job, do not attempt forex. You need a source of income, be able to fund your account, because without funding your account, you keep trading demo accounts for life, except miraculously God gives you investors who are your relatives to invest in you. That is, if they believe in your dreams, even without seeing results. Because there are people like that who believe in people's dreams and who want to invest in them. So if you are opportune to be one of such, congratulations to you. But if you are not, if you do not have a job, do not attempt forex trade. Look for something else to do first. Then when you grow from there, you can start learning how to trade forex and become a profitable forex trader. How to be profitable and stay consistently profitable. How to stay profitable trading forex markets is knowing the right time to trade. If you do not know the right time to trade, it's just like when it is the season for the fish, you don't know. Then when it is scarce, that is when you go and buy it to stock in a place. And then when it is not the season, you now start selling. That is, you are doing it upside down. So you have to know seasons. We have seasons in forex trading. Forex is beyond just clicking a buy and a sell. There are times when you open your chart, you don't have opportunities to trade. What do? You leave. But there are some people who are so desperate to make money from forex markets. They want to make money every day. Meanwhile, forex was not designed like that. As a matter of fact, you cannot get opportunity forex market every day, especially if you have trading plan. Except you don't have trading plan, and then anywhere belief is that's what you want to do, then you can have opportunity to trade. There are times you stay a week, you don't even trade. You are waiting to see that thing that you always see before you take your entries. How do you become profitable trading forex? Strictly following the rules of the forex market, and from the lessons you have learned, applying them alongside. By so doing, you'll be able to be profitable, because the lessons you have learned so far by experience, that will give you an edge, because that will further guide you to know exactly what to do and how to handle such situations whenever you encounter them. So especially if you are a beginner or a struggling trader. We have people who have been trading for years, yet they have not been able to make a single withdrawal from the forex market. What are the things to look out for if you want to be profitable? Number one, know the trend. Trade the trend. Execute your orders when you have opportunity to. Do not waste time on execution, and do not be addicted to your chart. How do you know your trend? In the first place, when you open your chart, your trading view, you open your charts. What do you see? When you open your charts every morning or at night when you want to analyze your trades, what do you see in the market? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? So what are you meant to do? If, for example, it's an uptrend, are you supposed to sell or you're supposed to buy? If it is an uptrend, for example, you look for buying opportunities. If it is a downtrend, you look for selling opportunities. But am I saying if you have an overall uptrend, does that mean you will not be able to sell? No, I'm not saying that. But what you should be looking out for is buying opportunities. Reason is this: if you are taking counter trades, there is a high probability of that trade stopping you out. The probability of that trade stopping you out is higher than getting to your take profit targets. If you follow the trend, the probability of you hitting stop loss is very minimal, especially if you are taking the trade from the right position. You don't just say because this is an uptrend then you start going in on buys. Know your trend. Follow your trend. Trade your trend. It's very important. Very, very important. It is as important as you trying to make withdrawal from that account you're trading. And there are some of you who have gotten a big accounts, prop firm accounts, yet you have not still been able to make profits trading that account. What is the problem? Impatience. Some of you don't have a proper trading plan. If you don't have a proper trading plan, how then do you intend to become profitable in the first place? Talk more of sustaining it. If you're not profitable, you can't sustain it. What is there to sustain? Now you have made one mistake, you have made the second one, you have made the third one. The same mistake 3 times, you have still not learned anything from it. It is not supposed to be so. So you have to pay attention to every trade you take. Every single trade you take, you have to pay proper attention to it as to how you analyzed it, why you made profit from it, or why you took a loss on that particular trade. You document it. That is journaling your trades. It is very, very important. If I give you my journal, you get to see every details of my trade is there. I make sure I write everything down, both the time, how the trade played out, why I took a loss, or why it became profitable. So if you are able to document why you took profit from a particular trade, why then do you think you will not be able to repeat it by looking at that same book and following the same thing you did that made you that profit previously or in the previous trade? Tell me, there's nothing. Stick to your plan. Know when to trade. When do you trade? You jump from Sydney session to New York, London, and all of that. No. Know when to trade. Know when to trade, exactly when to trade. When is the right time for you to trade? The London, the New York session. Those are the 2 most busiest sessions in the forex markets. What do I mean the most busiest? Where activities, economic activities that push the market happen the most. It is in the London and the New York session. So you can't afford to gamble with your money and expect to be profitable at the end of the day. So many of you have attempted forex and you have lost money, and then what you always say now is that forex is not for the weak or forex is a gamble. No sir, no ma'am, forex is never a gamble. It's you who is not well informed about how the forex market works. Now, the money you have wasted, some of you who are so stubborn saying that they cannot pay a mentor to teach them how to make money from the forex market. How about you going to school for 5 years, paying school fees, paying house rent, feeding money is going. Yet, when you come back home, you go for service, and after the service for 1 year, you come back to your parents' house and sit down. How about that? When they ask you school fees in the school, you will not say you won't pay. And now, it is crazy. Give me so amount for me to teach you how to make money. And you are saying you can't pay. Instead, you are going on YouTube, taking different lessons that are confusing your mind. Oh, you think any trader out there will be able to put out those contents in their private session for you for free on YouTube? That's not true. I've heard some people said they learned from YouTube. Congratulations to you, but I can tell you that's not sustainable. That is just an early luck for you. You are trading by luck. I am making profit by luck. You don't properly know how the forex market works, and you think you are profitable yet. Let's assume you were once profitable. You can't sustain it, or you are profitable right now, you can't sustain it. It's just like just waking up to inheritance, your father's inheritance or grandfather's inheritance, and you don't have a proper plan for it. What happens to it? The money is gone. So that money you are blowing now, why not give it to someone to train you, and then you become properly trained, informed, know exactly what you are doing before you start blowing that account again. Because that money, if you carry it now to go and fund your account again, you will still blow it. That's the truth. Highest you will do is play with the person. This is how much I have. If you must be profitable, understand your charts. Know the type of trader you are. Know how to analyze your charts properly, not upside down. Understand the top-down analysis very well. There are things that make up the top-down analysis. The top-down analysis is called a top-down analysis for a reason. Have you found out why? Or what are those things? Or what those things are? Or what those things are? Understand the top-down analysis. What type of trader are you? Are you an SMC? Are you price action trader? What kind of trader are you? What are those things you are looking out for in the forex market before you take a trade? What's your trading strategy? I believe 80% of you people watching me right now, you won't be able to answer these questions. Okay, if you understand, okay, if you have your answers, fine. You can actually comment it below and tell us what you know about your strategy. What is giving you an edge as a forex trader? Those things you have to pay attention to them. The essence of you trading is simply to make money and not to entertain yourself or deceive yourself. Or you keep doing one thing over and again and you're not making progress, you are retarded. You are not making progress. And that's very risky for any man out there. You doing a thing and you're not getting the results. It is not our portion. So if you are here and you are be looking for where to learn, here is an opportunity for you. We have the May edition coming up by next week. So admission is on right now. Registrations are on. You can join those who have registered, so you can be among the lucky people who will be able to get a slot. See you guys in our next episode.